Okay, so we're going to install custom map using PuTTY on a Windows operating system. Okay, first we'll launch PuTTY and we need to put our IP address in, which I've already done in this case. But what you would do, you would simply type your email address there. We're shelling into our server on SSH port 22, so that's okay. So put your IP in, highlight that, click save. Then we click open. Some information pops up about trusting the server. We basically don't want to cache the key at the moment, so I'm just going to say no to this and we should still be able to connect. There's our login screen. Put in our username. And password, unfortunately, you can't copy paste in, so I'm just going to go and grab that password, type it in. Okay, we're logged in. Okay, first thing to look at is what have we got. Basically what we've done here is we've landed in the home folder of the user adventure on this server. So we'll just do a quick ls to see what we've got. And as you can see, I've already run a server here at some point and it's extracted all the properties files that it needs. What I've also done is I've created a start script, an executable script. Let's just have a quick look at that. Okay, so we use a program to look at files and edit files called Vim. We tab out whatever file names are there, saves a lot of time. Basically this tells us that we can start our server with 512 mega RAM and it will look at that server jar file and launch it. Okay, and to come out of any file, if you haven't made any edits, simply hit the escape key, nothing up here to happen, then you colon and Q and then enter and we're back to where we were. Okay, let's have a quick look at the server.properties file. So again, Vim server.properties file. Okay, we're in. May or may not be familiar with this, but lots and lots of settings that are configurable, especially for custom maps like allow flight. This will come to later. The port number that we're going to run on. Leave this as it is. Don't change it to the default port because we've already got a server on this hardware running on that port. Okay, one of the things we're mostly interested in is command block true. A lot of the custom maps out there simply will not work with this. It's a big feature that all the big guys are building their custom maps with, and they're doing some great work. Okay, obviously maximum amount of players, we'll just leave everything as it is for now. Particular map that we're putting in today has recommended we have a view distance of 12, I seem to recall, so we'll leave that there. And obviously your message of the day, that gives you a clue as to what custom map that we're going to be installing today, what adventure map. Okay, so again we're going to come out of here. In fact, one thing to note while we're here is that your mouse is useless in here. It will not put you where you need to be, and if you end up making a mistake in any of these files, let's just hit the insert key there. Okay, we made a big mistake there. We don't want to save those changes, so we simply hit escape, colon, Q for quit, and an exclamation mark. Hit enter, and that will save the file without any changes. Okay, next. Right, so we've already got a world been generated here. Let's just start up the server real quick, and we do that by bringing in our start script from before. Okay, and we're going to open it up in something called screen. It means you can switch between your server console and your terminal console very easily. It's very handy. So we type in screen space executable file, so we can start it like that. And there's our vanilla server launched. Very, very quick. No plugins, no nothing, just launches, and we can see it's launched on port 27272. Okay, to get back out of this screen, because obviously you can see we've absolutely no command prompt to look at anything else, we simply do Control A, let go of those two, and then hit D, and it'll bring us back there. Now we want to stop the server now, so we're going to go back into the screen and stop the server. We do that by doing a screen space -R. Hit enter. Now we've got a server console. We stop the server. It's now stopped. Screen is terminating. Okay, now we're going to download our map. We use a program called wget. I put the zip files up in another location area for me to get at them easily. So do that by going yeah, that's right. Very case sensitive. Here comes the file, real small. Quick ls. We can see it's come over. Let's extract it. Unzip. And then your file name. Tabbing it out. That's done. ls. And we can see we've got a Herobrine folder. Okay. So now, at the moment, our server.properties file is pointing at this to launch its world files. So let's just go in and edit that. I'm trying to get this video inside 10 minutes, by the way, because I'm using Bandicam, so I shall stop talking. Okay, there we go, level name. Insert, we want to edit files. Let's get rid of that. I'm not sure if this is case sensitive, but I won't take any chances. Escape, write. Ah, sorry, you've not seen this before. W will write a file and make the changes. You can just do write W and then carry on working on the file, but then you have to hit insert again to carry on and make more edits. So for now, and then we're going to just do a write quit, just for the purposes of a demonstration. Okay, right, we've told our server.properties to look at the Herobrine folder. Here we go. So let's start up the server again. So start screen space start. My typing is terrible. Here we go, it's launched. Preparing level Herobrine, so this is looking good. Okay, one moment. Just going to go into game. Refresh that. Notice I've added my port number on. Sure you know how to do that. Okay, join server. Oh, that click you heard was you launched. Oh shit. Okay, I think we're done. I've played this map, it's fantastic, and all credit to Hypixel and the team. If you can hear me over that zombie, thank you for watching. Bye, MACMAN.